NDTV Hindu Lifestyle Awards, the superstar of Indian cinema, Rajinikanth takes away his third award from NDTV.
Yes, this is the third award he's getting and he is extremely honoured, and I am honoured and privileged to receive it on behalf of him today here.
No surprises as Trisha wins the most stylish female actor at the NDTV Hindu Lifestyle Awards.
And the winner is
Trisha Krishnan.
With the aim of reaching people on time during emergencies, police petrol vehicles will now have the GPS system installed in them. A huge relief for industrial units in Ambattur Industrial Estate. A sewage treatment plant has been set up there. Chennai Police sets the specification for the number plates. Car owners have 30 days to change their license plates accordingly. Arvind Kejriwal and the Chennai chapter of India Against Corruption launches a referendum on Lokpal Bill to know the views of the citizens. On a high from winning the National Billiards Championship for the 5th time, Pankaj Advani gets candid on NDTV Hindu. Well, good evening. You have tuned into the late night news with me, Minal Shah. The NDTV Lifestyle Awards is going on, is underway, and we have seen a lot of people walk away with that Swarovski trophy today, and we will be bringing you all that and more. But before that, a look at the national headlines. Yediyurappa resigns and walks the last mile to the governor's residence. He wins the battle for a replacement. Sadanand Gowda is most likely to replace him. On the eve of the monsoon session of Parliament, the Prime Minister says fate of the Lokpal will be decided. The houses should be allowed to function. What is before the court should be decided by the court. I hope Parliament does not prejudge the issue, the PM says on the 2G scam. It is not necessary to get a space at Jantar Mantar. Any other venue will do. Anna Hazare says the issue is more important than the protest. Karnataka Lokayukta Santosh Hegde tells NDTV that people have been taken for a ride on the Lokpal bill. And Gavaskar suggests BVS to move court against Vaughan for questioning his integrity. NDTV Hindu Lifestyle Award that's currently underway. It was no surprises. Who won the most stylish award? That's superstar Rajinikanth. Though the boss is still recuperating from his sudden illness last month, he was the most happy to receive this award, and his daughter Aishwarya Rajinikanth Dhanush, who received the award on his behalf, was moved by the love that the people of Chennai have showered on him.
And the winner is may I invite Aishwarya Rajinikanth Dhanush to receive the award on behalf of her father. In fact, they say, yes, they say that South India is known for two things: filter coffee and Rajinikanth. Nowhere else would a man in his late 50s or 60s give a former Miss World a run for her money when it comes to applause. And we at NDTV Hindu must make this point that this is he scored a hat-trick. This is his third NDTV award. He's got 2 awards from NDTV already, and not just for his acting skills, but also for the person that he is.
Watching us, to keep flying the flag for us, because we really do need people to keep looking at our shows, to keep writing back to us. And once again, I'd like to say thank you very much, particularly to our sponsors, because without our sponsors, we just couldn't have put this whole thing together. So we really appreciate you being here. And we just thank you so much for coming here and spending this evening with us. Thank you again.
Thank you, Jennifer. It's now back to Divya, and for the grand finale, Divya on stage, please.
Thank you so much, Sanjay and Anu. So, like I always kept saying, we always save the best for the last. And right now, we have a finale performance by Rehane. And we're very thankful for Rehane because we got to her at the very last moment, and she so graciously accepted to come and participate in this event and be our finale designer. We're very thankful for her. And a little bit about her collection for the finale. It's called The Summer State of Mind. Rehane fuses very ethnic craft of Kutch embroidery from the north and the humble Jamkalam from the south in the most fun and flamboyant, young and highly modern collection. The colors are in true Rehane style, flamboyant and bold. Bright oranges and reds merge with yellow and purple and exquisite applique work. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your patience, but right now, please put your hands together for our finale designer, Rehane's Summer State of Mind.
Well, of course, you will have to wait for that lovely fashion show that's coming up on the summer collection by Rehane. But there were no surprises also for who won the most stylish actress award. That, of course, was Trisha. Actually, she has been on a high after her latest film was a running success. Now, of course, she has another reason to rejoice as she bagged the Best Stylish Actor award at the NDTV Hindu Lifestyle Award.
This is for the, since Karti has to leave, this is for the most stylish
Trisha,
actress.
of course, has been one of the popular film stars of Kollywood, and she was extremely happy to be the choice of the viewers of Chennaiites.
The winner is Karti. I need to embarrass you suitably. Trisha, what does style mean to you?
According to me, style is actually the overall persona. It's not just about what you wear or what bag you're carrying. I mean, of course, that does play a part, but it's basically how you carry yourself. And I think you can be so simple and still be so stylish.
Of course, let's once again listen in to what Rajnikant's daughter, Aishwarya Rajnikant Dhanush, had to say when she received the award on behalf of her father and the superstar of Indian cinema, Rajnikant.
May I invite Aishwarya Rajnikant Dhanush to receive the award on behalf of her father. In fact, they say that South India is known for two things, filter coffee and Rajnikant. Nowhere else would a man in his late 50s or 60s give a former Miss World a run for her money when it comes to applause. And we at NDTV Hindu must make this point that he scored a hat-trick. This is his third NDTV award. He's got 2 awards from NDTV already, and not just for his acting skills, but also for the person that he is. For his humility, and we really wish him the very best. Does your dad have a message for us?
He actually wanted me to convey his heartfelt thanks, and he wanted to say that he is fit and fine, and thanks to everyone who has prayed for him. And yes, this is the 3rd award he's getting, and he is extremely honored, and I'm honored and privileged to receive it on behalf of him today here. Thank you.
Can we give Mr. Rajnikant, although he's not here, I'm sure he's watching us live, can we give him a standing ovation, please? For the person that he is, Mr. Rajnikant, not just the most stylish actor. Kartik.
Of course, Rajnikant's fans will be eagerly awaiting for him to come back with his grand movie. That's Rana, and of course, we'll also keep, staying tuned for that. Now, it was a unanimous choice for the most stylish sportsperson of Chennai. Yes, you guessed it right, none other than Deepika Pallikal. At 19, this young champion is India's #1 squash player and is currently ranking 26th in the world, and Chennai just loves her.
We must say a few words
My
about
colleague
this
Natasha
category.
caught up with the stylish lady after her win.
We
Let's
did a
listen
lot
in.
of brainstorming, a lot of discussion.